Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the habitat builder in Subnautica below zero. So to begin, go to your drop pod, and from your drop pod go towards the Delta Station dock. You're gonna want to go at least 300 meters, and here once you see these kind of two pillars, go down and you should see an Altera structure. Here it is. So go towards it, and inside of it should be a habitat builder fragment. So go ahead and scan it, and you'll see that you will have the habitat builder unlocked. Once you get back to your base, go to the fabricator, personal tools, and here you'll see the habitat builder, on which you'll need a wiring kit, computer chip, and a battery. To get the computer chip, be sure to watch my other tutorial, also with the wiring kit and a battery. So we'll craft the wiring kit from 2 silver ores, a battery from ribbon plants, and copper ore. Now we can craft the habitat builder. And this is how you get the habitat builder. Hope this tutorial helped. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.